What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue working on the 2013 GMC Sierra, and in the last video we worked on the suspension, and now that we got all that back together and the truck sitting on its wheels, we did take some measurements and found out that that left suspension is pushed back about 2 inches. So before we get the truck on the frame rack, let's go ahead and finish taking the hood and the fender off and just go from there. So now that I got the hood and the fender off, let's turn it around and get it on the rack. Got plenty of coolant. We've checked the oil. Just gonna let it warm up a little bit. She sounds nice and healthy. got the dual exhaust. Yeah, buddy. Let's turn this thing around. Basically a run and drive now. Ooh. Does not want to turn too sharp with that locked 4x4. Left. Go left. More. You're good, you're good. You're good, you're good. You're good, you're good. A little bit more. That's good. Dang, I was kind of worried it wouldn't fit with these offset wheels, but it looks like we got plenty of room. Give us some gas. Woo! Sounds like a solid truck. Let's go ahead and get it strapped in and get to work. boys, so after about 2 nights on pulling on the suspension, me and Dad just about got it pulled out. We're still off by like 1/2 inch, which I think you split that in half, which means this left suspension needs to come front by 1/4, and then same deal on this passenger side. We're trying to pull this wheel back by 1/4 inch, but we'll continue with the framework when Dad gets back. To be honest, I'm not really a framer, just a frame assistant, but hey, I'm learning as we go, and it's a little bit easier with 2 people taking measurements and stuff. Anyways, right now we're gonna jump inside and take the seat belts and airbag module out so we could get those shipped out to my airbags and have them reset. And then on the way back, I'll stop by the junkyard to see if I can find some used door hinges so we can get the door realigned. And V-Tune called saying the fender came in, so we'll scoop that up on the way back. Boys, we got a busy day. Let's get moving. So we got the airbag module out. You do have to take the seats out because the center console runs under that. Anyways, it'll give us a perfect time to go ahead and detail the interior. Let's go ahead and ship these out and head to the junkyard. All right, I think I found the truck we're looking for. It's a 2009 GMC Sierra, but I think they're the same from 09 to 14, I believe. Here's the hinges. These are some good used hinges. I'm pretty sure this door was sold. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off. Check this out, we're inside a car. This thing was cut right in half. So I got the lower hinge secured in the bag. I'm gonna look around and see if I can't find a complete upper hinge. If not, I'll go ahead and take this one since it is black already. Let's keep shopping. So I found some 2014 Sierra hinges, but they are running a different setup. I think we hit the hot spot. Let's keep looking. So I found another truck. This is a 2007, but they're running the same setup on the hinges. It's still missing the pin, but I think it's just easier to remove the door that way. And if ours is bent, I'll just order one from the dealer. Let's go ahead and snag these off and go pick up that fender. So I got the front end back together on the truck, and just like that, boys, the framework is done. Thanks to Dad for making it happen. We got a nice fitment between the fender and the door, and it's nice and flush here at the bottom. It opens and shuts very easily, but the door did drop on me when I replaced the hinges. That's not a big deal. We'll do a final adjustment when I take the fender back off to trim it out. And I still have to order a few more parts, like this little bracket that bolts to the fender and holds the upper lip. And then I'm also gonna be replacing the bumper brackets. Those are all beat up and bent up, but it did get kind of late on us. Let's go ahead and lower the truck down and call it a day, boys. All right, boys, that's a wrap. We made some good progress on the GMC, and the truck will be ready for a state inspection as soon as we get the seat belts back and the airbag light cleared. And then we're gonna jump on all the body work and paint the truck. So stay tuned for that. And if you are new on the channel and you like what you see, be sure to subscribe and drop a like for more awesome builds like this. Also, give us a follow on Instagram at DannyTV. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.